So for example, bigay tayo ng example. Ano bang magandang example? Uh, Dogs, wolves, ano pa ba? Foxes. So yun, uh, share ko sa inyo that they are from the family Canidae. So they are from that specific taxon kasi they share similar characteristics like meron silang long legs, muzzles, ano pa ba? Long ears. Tapos, if I'm not mistaken, sa way of locomotion nila, merong, ano tawag doon? They walk on their toes. And that's called, digitigrade walking or locomotion. Ayan. So, ayun. Example yan. When you are like, anong tawag doon? Classifying organisms. Kaya sila under Canidae. Okay, so next. So next is description. From the word itself, you describe. You're going to, anong tawag doon? It entails detailing the features. Ayun, detailing. Wait, ano spelling? Ay, okay. Detailing the features. Ayun. Basically, that's it. For example, ang tiger. Ano bang meron sa tiger? Paano ba natin siya i-describe? So, meron siyang, ano ba, orange fur. Meron siyang black stripes. Tapos, white belly. That's how you describe. Ganon. Important yan sa pag-identify ng species sa taxonomy. Okay, so next. You identify. Yun, speaking of identification, i-recognize mo na or i-establish mo na kung saang taxon nabibilang ang isang organism. So mag-set tayo ng example here. Ito. So, masasabi natin that this is a mushroom. And based on its observable characteristics, ano ba, meron siyang bright red cap, meron siyang white gills, meron siyang white warts, tapos white stipe. Ito stipe ang tawag dito. Tapos, ayun, based on those characteristics, and usually, kapag nag-identify ka, magpapa-help ka or magpapa-guide ka sa isang taxonomy expert. And in this case, a mycologist. So what is mycologist or mycology? Yun yung study of fungi. Ayun. Tapos, yun, let's say, mo na, like, basing from those characteristics and with the help of a mycologist, ma-identify mo na yung organism na yan, which is, if I'm not mistaken, ano tawag dito? Alam ko yung scientific name niya kasi common to na alam niyo yung mga cottagecore mushroom na aesthetic, gano'n. Ayun, so it's called Amanita muscaria. Ayan. Ayan yun. Okay, so next, nomenclature. Ay, ba't ko binura? Ayun. So next, nomenclature. So yan, may ginawa akong scientific name. May sinulat akong scientific name. And that's basically nomenclature. You are going to assign a scientific name to specific organisms. So yon. Tapos, ano pa bang example? Sa humans. Ano bang scientific name natin? Homo sapiens. Coined by Linnaeus, which means wise man. Ganon. So kapag taxonomy, yun, after ma-consider yung apat na yon, it deals both with extant and extinct species. So when we say extant, ito ba yung mga living? Like tayo, like hindi pa sila extinct. Basically antonym lang yan ng extinct. Pag extinct, wala na in the wild. Ganon. Pero, ang taxonomy, it still encompasses yung mga extinct species. For example, like dinosaurs. Ang mga dinosaurs, like the T-Rex, kahit na they went extinct 65 million years ago nung late Cretaceous, we are still studying them. Ini-study pa rin natin yung fossils nila, yung remains, ganon, in paleontology. So, important pa rin
Bigyan mo
yun.
yan.
So, all in all, considering everything, taxonomy is describing, classifying, identifying, and naming organisms into groups called taxa. So, ano nga ba ang taxa?